In this video, we'll be looking at the 8 best practices when starting your own YouTube channel. My name is Lenny. For those of you who have not met me before, my name is Lenny Rukundo from Mobilepreneur, the channel that helps you discover your passions, turn them into videos, and share them on social media while making money on the move. Are you struggling to understand the best practices for YouTube? In this channel today, we'll be looking at the 8 best practices that you need to implement in order for your channel to trigger the algorithm so that it can be served to your audience. Now let's start with the first one. The first one and the most important one is your thumbnail. The quality of your thumbnail will determine if people are going to click or not. Does it trigger or evoke curiosity? That is the reason why your thumbnail needs to be of good quality. Your text, which is the first one, your image, they all need to be high resolution. That is very important. So you need to get that right. The second one is your info cards. The info card is one of those pop-ups that come up here with suggested videos. It is very important to have that because it gives your audience what else they can go to in regards to your content. The next one, which is the third one, is your end screens. Your end screens is one of whereby you have the video, suggested video, and the next video, and your subscribe, of which I usually laid out on the screen at the end of the video, just like the one I'll show you shortly. That is very important to have on your videos so that you can guide your audiences as to what to do next. Best practice number 4 will be, where have you shared your info? In this case, we'll be looking at, have you shared it on Twitter? It is important to share it on social media, on Twitter, so that it registers on the algorithm that you have been sharing it on other platforms. Best practice number 5 is, have you shared it on Facebook? Have you gained any likes on it? The interesting thing is that YouTube follows that information as well, and it's one of its best practices in order to be able to trigger the algorithm. Best practice number 6 is your captions, to find out if your captions are added onto your channel. That is very important because it helps you to have a greater audience out there. There are people who can't hear, they'd like to read, or maybe there's a translation, they want to see what you're talking about. Point number 7 is, have you pinned your comment? You as the channel owner, have you commented on your channel or given people direction onto the next video that I need to see? So you do that by pinning your comment onto the comment section. Yeah, finally now, best practice number 8, comment hearted. Have you hearted the comments that your audience is making on your comment section, in the bottom of the section of your comments? Now, this shows that you have engagement with them, and it's very important. So don't forget to heart them, heart their comments, listen to your audience. The channel is about the audience and not about you. Thank you for sticking with us till this time. We really appreciate. Also, would like to ask you to subscribe and ring that bell for more videos just like this. And also let us know what kind of videos you like to have us produce for you down there in the comment section here below. And also give us your experiences. Out of the 8 best practices, what haven't you been doing? And if you have been doing everything on the 8 best practices, share with us your experiences of what has been happening to your videos. And with that, we come to an end of this video. But however, have a look at our description down below to see other videos that we have made previously. Thank you.